Welcome to the Xpediter CICS File Utility for CICS Datasets module. Here you will learn how to access datasets available to the CICS region hosting your Xpediter testing or debugging session. This module examines the Xpediter CICS file utility as it pertains to datasets defined in the File Control Table. The additional capabilities of the file utility are covered in other modules. We begin at the Xpediter CICS primary menu and choose Option 5 for the file utility, then Option 1 for CICS datasets, and Option 1 again for the dataset list. Here we see an alphabetized list of the datasets defined to the current CICS region in its FCT or File Control Table. This panel is the key to file interactions. Line commands may be used to browse or select for editing any item. If authorized, the user may change current status. Also, if authorized, the user may change service requests as well. Let's have a closer look at current status. The values in the left column, closed or open, may be controlled by CICS or by using the Xpediter file utility. The values in the right column, enabled, disabled, or unenabled, may be controlled by CICS or partially controlled by the Xpediter file utility. When the file utility opens a file, it becomes enabled and available to any and all users. When the file utility closes a file, it becomes unenabled. This is unavailable to CICS applications, but available to the closer, which would be Xpediter CICS. Once the Xpediter file utility has closed a file, any of the service requests may be changed. We will go through an example to highlight use of the file utility. We start Xpediter CICS, then clear the screen and start the demo program, and enter the employee number to crash the program. We see the record not found message and look in the keep window for the key of this record. We will check the file to make sure that this is the case. We may issue the jump command to go directly to the File Utility Dataset List panel, shown here. We enter the Locate command to bring the proper file into view. Then we enter the Browse line command to examine the file contents. The keys on the file are 10 through 50, while the key not found was 2. What should be done next? Since we have Xpediter open, we could change the key to one that is on the file and continue. Or we could add the missing key to the file. Let's try changing the key. We return to the source listing and find the key, overtype with a valid key, and enter a Go command. Oh no, we crashed again. Guess we should try the other option. We return to the Dataset List panel and note the current status of the file is open and enabled. Typing in close and pressing enter closes and unenables the file. Noting that the add service request does not appear, we type in add and press Enter to enable Add, then open the file. With the file now open and enabled, the Browse line command is used to bring the records into view. The Select line command is then used to make the first record available for editing. The key field is noted, then overtyped with the desired value in 2 places. To be consistent, the record content has been changed as well. We issue a write command, then see the confirmation message. Pressing F3 returns us to the Browse panel where the new record is in place. Returning to the source listing, a Go command is entered, and we crash again. Must be time to investigate. We can make short work of the investigation by viewing the Xpediter Diagnostic Summary. It looks as though a read update was attempted, but update is not allowed. This would fail for any key. We return to the Dataset List panel and close the file. Next, we enter the Update service request and view the confirmation message. Finally, we open the file. Next, we use the jump command to return to the source listing, then enter a Go command. Success! This completes the example. We will look at some additional options: viewing with a record layout, viewing in hex, navigation, and reading with a key. We return to the Browse panel. Recall that we can get here directly by using a jump command. Next, we select a record. As long as a module name is available, a record layout in that module may be specified with the Using command to display the fields and their values. The layout must be an O1 level in the program. The hex on command displays the data in hex format, and the hex dump command displays hex dump format. Hex off resets the display. The next command displays the next record forward on the file, and the previous command goes the other way. Finally, we overtype the key value, then enter the read command. The specified record comes into view. This completes this module. Thank you.